Dear viewer, the fact that you've clicked this video today is the reason why I'm being reminded to release this message. If you're watching me today and you feel like you're not at it, you're very low in the spirit, you feel discouraged, things are not working your way, the year is ending but nothing. Sis, bro, God has got good plans for you. Jeremiah 29:11. Whatever He's planning for you, eyes have not seen, ears have not heard. Hang into this word today. Even though I don't make it today, the Lord has better plans for me tomorrow. Yes. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching me. My beautiful name is Sheisjacinta and welcome to the other side of Modesty. Today we are going to do a 5-minute video. I don't know how that is going to happen, but it is. So here we talk about lifestyle, hair care, and a little bit of motivation. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining us. Welcome to the family. For the returning ones, thank you so much for the support. So without much further ado, we are going to style my hair with me. I'm not sure which style I'm going to do, but we're going to figure out. But yeah, my hair is blown out. It is almost a month. Yeah, almost a month. So I thought before I transition, why not shoot a video for you guys and keep locked, watch till the very end. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's get started. So it is the month of November. Today is 17th November, and the oil we're going to use today is tonic ballet. It is a mixture of tea tree oil and it argan oil. I bought this oil because I had a scalp issue and it has really helped me. So I'm forcing low porosity. I tend to use light oils. If you're high porosity, please use solid oils. I am not encouraging anyone to copy any product that I use, minus doing patch testing or doing a research, because our hairs are different. And yeah, so I'd start by saying I like to work on clean hair. That means my hair is clean from the scalp. Just to say that, and I think I've said almost 3 weeks minus washing it, but we don't know what next. But guys, let it just be like that. As a beginning, I always make sure my hair is clean, like I've said, and moisturized, like you've seen me moisturize and then detangled. So I'm combing it just in sections. Healthy hair is the foundation of every great style. I love working with soft hydrated hair because it makes the styling smooth and less painful. Although I'm a fan of virgin hair, but in this season we're going to survive with this. I'm using a simple liquid oil, like you've seen, just to lock in the moisture. And remember, health hair is not about expensive products, it's about consistency. And now let's part the hair. A clean part can transform a simple look into a professional finish. I like working in small sections because it helps me maintain neatness. If you are learning hairstyling, don't rush, take your time. With each line in section, great work is always done with patience, you know. So here we start creating the look. What I love about here is that every style tells a story. Whether it's braids, twists, curls, or a slick bun, it always expresses personality, you know. And as I continue, you can see how the texture is forming nicely, guys. So I love seeing a style come together slowly. It's like watching art being painted, you know. If you're trying this at home, remember to be gentle. Don't pull too hard. Hair should be treated with love, you know. And if you make a mistake, it's okay. Just redo that part. Even as a stylist, I still redo sections to get the clean result I want. Sometimes, let me tell you guys, it can be on Sunday I want to do my hairstyle and it's not coming up. I end up going to church with some afro or anything. I don't care what you're going to see me with. I like my hair. That is enough. The fact that I like it, it is important. And in this final look, we're close to the final look. So I wanted to tuck it at the back, but I don't like it because it is blown out, so it is not like kinky. Like my hair is 4C, so every time I oil it, it shrinks. The shrinkage is real, and I've not actually combed it in because I don't want to lose hair. I fear that much, but I'm going to transition soon, so a leave-in will do me better. And this is the trying to come up with a final look. But if you've missed my hairstyling content, just know I'm coming back slowly but surely. My passion is still alive. I know this hair has it a lot. I think maybe this is the fourth hair concerning hairstyling, or the fourth video, or the third one. I really don't know, but life has been laughing on my side. But surely my health comes first. So make sure you follow this video and follow this channel, like, comment, subscribe, and share. More styles are coming, and I can't wait just to grow with you again. And guys, so I can do personal coaching, but I'm not sure if I can be consistent because hey, woo! So this is the final look, clean, fresh, neat, and beautiful. But I don't like my hair to come on my neck or whichever end, so I'm going to change this style. I know most of you will like this one, but oh my goodness, you can see my hair is breaking, my face is breaking because of hair. I just have that sensitive skin. But thank you so much, guys, for watching and spending time with me today. So we are going to tuck this end, and you're going to see how I'm going to do it. I don't know if you like this video. If you like it, please give it thumbs up. Let me hear from you. How is this look doing? I managed to do it for around 13 minutes because I was shooting myself and also styling myself. You see, it takes time. Yeah, it takes time. So with this pen, I'm just going to secure it there. You can order these pens if you really want them because they're different, they're unique, and you'll not get them with anyone else. I'm one girl who likes uniqueness, and uniqueness is my strength. It gives me strength, it makes me different, and just aspire to be different, aspire to be yourself, and don't fake anything. If you're watching this video and you're not saved, please, Jesus loves you. You are worth dying for on the cross, so please get saved. Apart from that, I'm a founder of a ladies only ministry. This is Ladies of Modesty. So if you are a lady watching me today, 18 to 40 years, kindly direct message me on Facebook or Instagram, or it will be better if you email the email running on this screen because I love you guys. So babe girl is happy and the style is done and dusted. This is how we're looking like, dancing into the day. Yeah, I'm not a fan of doing edges, unfortunately, but I'd encourage you to do your edges if you can, using castor or your gel of your choice. The most recommendable one is Eco Styling Gel, but remember your edges are very sensitive, so make sure you take part in strengthening your hair every other day. Avoid stress and manage your environment. We love you, girl, and let your hair introduce you in rooms before you get there. So make sure you are hydrating, make sure you're praying over your hair because your hair is your crown. It means a lot in the spiritual realm and everything. And for those ladies doing wigs and all that, you're not exempted in this. In as much as you do that, please make sure you moisturize your hair, your hair. So I don't have much to say, but I see that I changed my YouTube name because it has affected my brand in a way. Nobody told me. So we're back to Sheisjacinta, and let us just do that. I hope there is a meaning for that, but yeah. So we're coming up to there. We're going to change our names back to normal, and that is it, guys. So thank you for believing in me. Thank you. I pray for you guys that God meet the desires of your hearts. Those who support me, my fans, those who support me from Kenya, from South Africa, and from the US. I recently shared that analytics, and also all over the world. So many people are watching me. Thank you so much, guys. I don't take it for granted. It is the grace and the favor of God, So yeah, Did you like the first style or you like the second one? Just let me know your thoughts. But this one looks elegant and small. I don't do uh, ear piercing, so today we're going to walk like this minus an earring because yes, I just want to be like this today, and that is me. Do you have any questions or which kind of video do you want me to do? At the comfort of my zone, any moment, any day, I'll do it. But if I cannot do it, please bear with me. I still have so many questions of you to answer, but please don't ask me questions concerning marriage and relationships for now. Is that clear? I hope you ask me more about hair care and all that. So that much ado, I think this video needs to end, or it is ending. I've closed it. I just want you to check the description box, and you guys should follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe if you've not subscribed. What are you waiting? If you're a man watching me today, please send this video to your girlfriend, to your wife, to your fiance, to your grandma, to your mom, and any other person who needs to hear this, because I know we are fighting hair care problems, and natural hair is beautiful. I managed to go out and vlog a little bit, so that is me. The sun was not shining, but anyways, I like it that way. That was the final look. See you in the next one, guys. So keep locked, and I love you all. Jesus loves you unconditionally. Blessings. Thank you.